If you are looking to improve your overall health without those harmful ingredients, then I have the perfect solution for you. This is a powdered mineral toothpaste. And first of all, I want you to note that it does not foam up like normal toothpaste. This is vegan, this is organic, gluten-free, and it has no parabens, sulfates, there's no fluoride, there's no GMOs. Basically, there's no additives. And this can be used for both kids and adults. Also note it's a natural teeth whitening, and it does have great ingredients. As you can see, it has kaolin clay, bentonite clays, and it's mixed together with some baking soda and some sweet peppermint flavored essential oils. And it does come in many different flavors. And this one here, as you can see, is peppermint. Now it's really easy to use. Let me undo it for you. All you have to do is wet your toothbrush, dip it in, and as you can see, the powder comes on the toothbrush, and then you brush for 2 minutes. And if you have never used a mineral powder toothpaste and you're looking to get away from those harmful ingredients, then I highly recommend the PrimaLife powdered mineral toothpaste because I guarantee you will not be disappointed, and I highly recommend it.